Welcome to The Proper Chefs, a place where the flame of passion never dies, where technique meets soul, and where every dish is a story waiting to be told. For over 2 decades, we've lived and breathed the culinary arts. We've walked through the heat of the kitchen, stood in the quiet moments before service, and felt the pulse of a dining room alive with anticipation. We are chefs. We are storytellers. We are craftsmen of flavor. From humble beginnings to the opening of 2 award-winning restaurants, our journey has been seasoned with lessons, risks, triumphs, and above all, a relentless pursuit of excellence. Along the way, we've documented that journey through 2 celebrated cookbooks and over 130 food journals. We've shared not just recipes, but reflections, discoveries, and the heartbeat of a life lived in service to the plate. At The Proper Chefs, we believe cooking is more than a skill. It's a way of connecting to our past, to our heritage, to each other. Here, you'll find innovative recipes designed to challenge the ordinary. You'll unlock expert techniques that bring professional precision to your home kitchen.